time without love.
Good morning, guys. We just got to the port in Sikihor. We have a long day of travel in front of us. We gotta take 2 ferries to Cebu.
Real high, spots, no sure.
After one night in Cebu, we took a flight to Boracay.
So come along and take my
We just arrived at our last stop in the Philippines. Welcome to Boracay. Boracay is easily the most touristic destination we've been to yet. It's a great place here for people that like diving, kite surfing, or zip lining, or pretty much any other outdoor related activity. But since we've done a lot of similar things on the previous islands before, we thought we'd just relax here and enjoy some of the many restaurants that this place has to offer. Tomorrow we're going to the airport to head back to Manila. The following day, we were back at the airport for our next flight. Bye, Philippines. Just arrived in Kuala Lumpur. We have about 3 hours to explore the city. Let's go. Just checked into our room. Now we're gonna grab some dinner and then we'll head to the city. And we went straight to our airport hotel and fell asleep immediately. Now we just checked into our Airbnb and I'll show you more of Auckland in next week's video.